Welcome to Taposi Educational Tutorial. Good morning, children. Today, I shall going to explain the force, work and pressure. Especially class 5 student, those who are read in CBSE and ICSE board. Learning outcomes in these chapters, children, first you learn the concept of force, definition of force with example, effect of force with example, type of force with details discussions, and the concept of work with define, and last you will learn the pressure exerted by the liquid and the gases and describe the atmospheric pressure. Okay student, now one by one we going to explain. First we give the concept of force, right student? So in our everyday life, we use force to do many things, such as open and close the door, push the bench, table, and carry the loaded like that, bring the books from the shelves, switching the light, right? And sometimes we do some work in our home, so here we need the force. We also use the force to change the size, shape or position of object. So let us we learn the basic concept about the force that we have studied in the previous class little more, right student? So the force, if we define, then we can say a force is a push or pull acting upon an object. On the other hand, we can also say that a force is a physical quantity. That means physical quantity means the something is measured. So a force is a physical quantity which cause or tends to cause a motion in an object at rest or changes or tends to change the direction of motion of a moving object, or changes or tends to change the size and shape of an object, or changes or tends to change the speed and of an object. That is force, right student? A force is described by its direction in which it acts and its strength. Strength of force is measured in the newtons. Newtons symbolized by capital N. Direction and the strength can be represented by a arrow symbol. So let us give some example of force are push or pull the door. That means when we open the windows door, sometimes we pull or push, right student? Falling the apple from the apple tree. Sometimes you play tug of war, carry the load like something carry from the market. It may be books or other things. A cow or a horse pull the cart, right student? Sometimes we push the trolley bags. Here we apply the force. Now questions comes to your mind. What is the effect of force? Force can affect things in many ways. But children, we discuss only 3 ways that force we realize the effect of force. A force can change the shape and size of an object. Sometimes we fight to brothers or friend by pillow. A pillow is soft. When we apply the pressure or apply the force, it easily changes their shape and size. A balloon, when we apply the pressure or apply the force, it also changes their shape and size. A force can change the speed of an object, making it faster or slower. How? When we kick the ball first go and go. Other players, when it tried to stop, it easily stopped or it became slow. Right student? A car sometimes very faster, and when it need to stop, then it became slower. A force can change the direction of an object. Ball changes direction by hitting it with a bat. Right? A force can produce heat, light and sound also. Right student? I hope student you clearly understand what I discuss here. The next part we discuss the another part of this chapters. So student, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. See you next time, the another part of this chapter. Thank you for watching.